Tractors do everything, dude. Tractors get it done. Guys, this might seem kind of unreal and pretty crazy after talking about it for over a year, but this bitch is moving tomorrow. Not under our own power, but we are putting it on the trailer, and the motor is going to be going into the car this week or this weekend. So today is Friday. We just got off of work. I got a couple things I got to clean up on here so we can make sure it's all good to go when it goes in the trailer. Got to put the new battery in it that I just bought, but we're about to get this thing over to Thomas's house, and the Soho motor is finally going in this thing. And then we're going to talk about what's changing, because one of the game plans is now falling through and we had to move on. So we're going to end up doing something else today that we're going to talk about shortly. But also, most importantly, we're going to be putting the TEs back on the 370 so she's aesthetically pleasing while we're working on it. All right, pulling the Z out. About to pull the bike out real quick so we can get some room to pop all these wheels off and switch them on over so the 370 sit on the TEs again. Well guys, I just realized that I accidentally gave away my lug key for my rears to the guy that bought my drift vet. So we got to run over to Justin's house. We're going to stop and grab some food while we do that and then come back and get the wheels swapped out. All right guys, we got her all swapped over.
Fucking manual tools.
Yep, way it should be, dude. I'm a boomer. But now she's back to looking how she's supposed to, so we got everything tidied up, but it should be ready to go on the trailer tomorrow morning. Her first time on the ground in a year and a half. Oh my God, brother, I forgot it looks like that on the ground, brother.
Stuck.
Did it really?
No.
Whew!
Little brute force and ignorance.
Hey, Ossifer, I swear it's not what it looks like, brother. It's not what it looks like. That's just the braking oil, I promise. I got the intercooler loaded up, braking oil. I gotta grab the turbo out of the basement. And we got almost everything we need. And it's gonna be going out in the morning. Look at these two next to each other. Yes, sir. Got both the Nizzies, brother. Bad little vibe. Oh man, it's almost go time, everybody. The year and a half plus of waiting, and it's coming together. So got this stuff loaded up. Calvin's gonna be here in the morning, and we're gonna get it headed over to Thomas, get this motor dropped in. Well guys, this isn't exactly what we wanted to see. Looks like we're definitely not gonna be able to move it anytime soon right now. Come on girl, I thought you were ready to go. Why they gotta hold us back like that? They don't want us to fucking kill every other VQ in the game. They don't want us to do that. Shout out to Ray Rowe for getting these here with the quickness. I literally ordered these like not even 2 days ago and they're already here. Let's get it, boy. So here's the Raceport Turbo Smart blow-off valve. Then we're going to be running twin 45mm Turbo Smart wastegates. I think they come with a 14-pound spring, but Monster said we should be able to mess with the boost controller enough to where we can run it around 30 pounds. Guys, excuse me why I'm not out on bacon, but today's the day. We're about to go get the motor and the car sent off. We're about to go to town. Stay tuned. Here you go, baby. About to be on your way. Yes, folks, you see it right. Old girl is loaded up. Shout out Calvin for getting her over to Thomas's. We're about to be on our way once we get the motor out of the garage. First time seeing daylight in over a year and a half. Back that ass up, shawty. You guys are gonna finally be living sisters together. Got her all loaded up. Got the motor on the pallet. Hey Gary, sorry about your box, brother. You ain't gonna be able to use that no more, brother. Here we go, baby. Off we go. Let's get it. Well, there is way more snow out here than there is out where we are. I barely made it up here, so Calvin, he's like down there still. We got to get the truck out with the tractor because it's way too slick still, so. Oh boy. Thank out, we got Hoosiers on our side, bro. Yes, sir. Alright, I'll have to go save Calvin and my cars. I guess this just sits in the shade all day, so it doesn't melt like everywhere else does. Tractors do everything, dude. Tractors get it done. Woo, that was scary. Y'all got a breath of fresh air for a second. You thought I was about to beat your ass in that thing. We still good. All right. I don't know how these fuckers are so good at driving trucks. I would have barreled through that.
A little bit more. All right, forward. Get a little bit more.
Dig, baby, dig. Nice.
Yeah, it might be enough. That is enough.
Yeah, that literally worked out perfectly.
Yeah.
Here's gonna be her little resort stay for a little bit, brother. Here's her other broken sister. And we have touchdown. Oh my God, I'm so excited right now. Shout out Calvin. If you guys need anything local towed, hit him up. Calvin Stevenson on Instagram. Woo boy. Alright guys, so here we go. Her new heart will be going in here soon. Thomas and I got some time to start working on her. Got the turbo, intercooler, wastegates, blow-off valve. So, like I said in the beginning of the video, there is a change of plans. Obviously, I've been saying what we're going to be doing the whole time. We're going to go from here to Mike's house. I guess something came up. That is no longer the plan. The car is now going to be going down to DRZ Performance in Florida. So shout out Ray. He's going to take care of the car, get it knocked out, get everything started on this bad bitch so we can hopefully get it done for TX2K. We're cutting it really close on time. So we're going to do the best we can to get it done because the biggest thing is going to be fitting this turbo. There's never been a top mount, front mount turbo setup with a 7675 on a 370Z before. So we're gonna make it work. We might have to cut some stuff up, but we'll see. So if you guys want to check out Ray and his fabricator, his fabricator's name is Danny Fab. It's DANIFAB. He's gonna be doing the work on it at Ray's shop. So check them out on Instagram. Like I said, it's DRZ Performance. But once we get this motor in here, Thomas and I are gonna get it sent out to Miami and we're gonna get the turbo kit started on. The only things I have left to buy for the build, which aren't a necessity right this second, are the trans, clutch, and injectors. So I'm gonna get all those knocked out while it's down there probably, and we're gonna get this thing going, ready to push her over 1,000 wheel. Hopefully we'll have the motor in this week, and then we'll just get started in the turbo kit the second I can get the car down to Florida. So shout out Calvin again. Like I said, if you guys need any help getting anything towed and you're local to St. Louis, hit him up on Instagram at Calvin Stevenson, and he'll help you out. So that's gonna wrap it up. So next time you guys see the car, Thomas and I are gonna be working on it. We're gonna start on everything tonight, and I'm gonna save that for another video when we get this motor pulled out, and we'll get the new one thrown in. But like I said, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We got tons of stuff coming. This is gonna be the craziest 370Z build on the street. I promise you, we're making it rowdy. So stay tuned, and we got a lot to come. See you guys in the next video.
Hey, I got shooters everywhere. That shit that's so crazy. You can go like anywhere. Pull up choppers everywhere. We got pound bags everywhere. Just come and go, no bus fare. And I just talk like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Know they told your guardians they don't want to get this parking. They go got them parking. Oh, LA back on them bricks again. They said that boy been having